What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. Traders, tell me how has your day been? Do you have any traders that have looked at their charts today? Tell me how has your day been? Today has been a beautiful day for me. Do you have any traders that have locked in some crazy moves? Share your experience, guys. And feel free to ask any trading question. I am trading binary options. Currently, I am looking at Brent OTC charts. So let's see if we can get any moves already. These buys are already heading in our direction. Okay, first attempt is in and it's locked in. Lebron, good to see ya. Lonnie, good to see ya. Raphael, good to have you. Nate, good to see ya. Dream, welcome to the trading assembly, guys, and feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. But tell me, how have you spent your day today? Today, is it one of the days where you take day off from the market or you are fully locked in today? Share with me. I don't like the structure. Honestly, when it comes to trading, market structure is important. And we, as traders, we have to know. Oh my goodness, what happened here? As traders, we have to know. I give you my testimony. Okay, our pullback entry has really locked in well. Alfred, good to see ya. Abdul, good to see ya. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Oh my. Okay. Let us add more cells in this zone. Guys, the day is okay. The day is moving smoothly. Do you have any traders that looked at their charts today? Hunter, Roof, good to see you all. Good to see you all traders in the building. When I was listening. As a trader, whenever you're looking at your chart, you have to be comfortable and know one thing. There are times you're going to be seeing clear market structure, but there are some times when you're going to be seeing structure that is kind of confusing. So, one thing about market structure, since it is really so important in every trading strategy, you have to keep on practicing and practicing and practicing until you get this. Until you get it. Like guys, I always tell you, when I was starting out to trade, it was so hard. I knew market structure, but the market structure I was trading with, it isn't the market structure I trade now. Because when it comes to market structure, you want to point out the valid highs and the valid lows, because those are the strong points that really either push the market up to lead to a break of structure or push the market down to lead to a break of structure. So if you identify those key points, it's going to be like a guiding direction to anticipate where the market is most likely to head. But we all know trading, it's a skill that you build over time. So the more you keep on practicing, the better you're going to really get at trading. That's one thing I can tell you. That's one thing I can tell you guys. The more you keep on practicing, the better you're going to get at your skill. Because this is a skill you build over time, and the more you lock in, the shorter your journey gets. Feel free to ask any trading question. Someone was asking me what is easier to trade between Forex and binary. And guys, this is from my own experience as a trader who started out in the Forex market. I would suggest binary options are easier for me to trade, because the biggest challenge I met while I was still a Forex trader, it was the fact that I would open my entries and they would take a whole day, and sometimes even they don't end up closing in the direction I anticipated. Same with also
when I was young,
you execute your trades. I mean, set up everything, the take profit, the stop loss, and everything. I mean, the next time you check out your trade, you find that trade didn't hit TP, but it reversed against you. So all those things, they are really, I feel like Forex needs a lot of patience to wait for your trade to really work out. I mean, a trade can take about 4 hours to work out, even sometimes a whole day. But when it comes to binary options, we all know that our entries, we just have to set expiration time and wait. So that is what made me really get to this side and stick to that. Take your whole life and you put a line to me. My love is yours if you're willing to take it. Come away, started to love together in a different place. You know that love is how all these ideas came to peace. Baby, run out, play with me. 17, we got a dream, I have a family, a house and everything. Market structure is bearish, and that means my bias is bearish. So let us keep selling the market until I see no reason not to. When I was young, I did the day when I was falling in love. He used to meet me on the east side in the city where the sun never set. This is locked in. Back streets in a blue Corvette. And baby, you know I just wanna live tonight. We can go anywhere. Ali, good to see ya. Henrietta, good to have you. Patel, good to see ya. Natures, good to have you all. This is a trading assembly, guys. This is a continuation entry that I'm taking here. So all continuation traders, this is how you continue. This is how you take your continuation entries in the market. You wait for the market to pull back, give you a bearish confirmation that the market is getting into a continuation, then you execute. And in this case, our confirmation, you can see a clear pin bar there. That is enough reason for you to anticipate sellers in the market because it's already a seller's market.
Keeps the money on every side.
Oduro-san, good to see ya. Jay, good to see ya. All right, we are having Nairo, our participant for tonight. Guys, can you see it? Yeah, I'm seeing very many guys are already donating. This is nice. And in a few, we are going to get into them. In a few, we are going to get into the donations. The indicator I'm using it's Keltina channel and I'm using it with its default settings. I've been dreaming. But when it comes to trading, all my entries are not only based on the indicator, guys. I also back it up with price action strategy because that's how it should be. That's how I trade. To have more confirmations. You know, this trading assembly, we trade confirmations. We trade confirmations, not just pure candlesticks.
Flashing lights. You got me pity, baby. I want you. Can't keep your eyes off my pity, daddy. I want you. Drunk in love. I want you. We woke up in the kitchen saying how the hell did this shit happen? Oh, baby.
Feel free to ask any trading question.
We be all night. The thing I remember is our beautiful bodies running off in that club.
Drunk in love, we've been all night.
We've been all night. And everything alright. No complaints from my body, so feel resting under these lights. Boy, I'm drinking. Walking in my life, 7 label. I'm rubbing on the rubbing it. You scared, call that ribbon. Boy, I'm drinking. Keep my brain right. One front, yeah, gangsta white. Blue sheets, he sweat it out like wash bags. He wet it out. Boy, I'm drinking. I'm singing. On the mic to my boy, porch, and I fill the tub up halfway. Then ride it with my surfboard. Surfboard, graining on that wood, graining on that wood. I'm swerving on that, swerving on that. Big body been serving all this, surfing all and it's good. We woke up in the kitchen saying how the hell did this shit happen? Oh, baby. Drunk in love, we be all night. Next thing I remember is our beautiful bodies running off in that club.
Drunk in love. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn, so ask any trading question. Tell me, traders, how have you spent your day today? How are you spending your day? Do you have any traders that have looked at their chat? Oh my goodness. Bears have played me here. but I'm still seeing sellers are still in control. So let's see if we can get another move. All right, we have another participant, Eloine Cross. I can see guys are really ready for the donations. What is the best risk management you can recommend? When it comes to risk management, guys, I would say you have to first know your account size, and you'll be risking according to your account size. Avoid putting a lot of pressure on your trading account. That is the best risk management I can share with you. Reminder, trading is very personal. You have nothing to prove. So you being in the markets with the mindset that you want to protect your capital in a way that you're going to be risking not putting a lot of pressure on your account. We all know when it comes to the market, anything can happen for you. So if you have solid risk management, like if you're risking a small percentage of your account on a single trade, you'll find even if the market goes against you, you're really not going to be wiped out completely out of the market. And the other thing is sticking by it. Because of course everyone knows you could be knowing the risk management, but also you have to have discipline to really stick to that risk management that you have set for yourself. Also start risking small, and as the account is growing, that's when you can consider increasing the risk, because at least now you have a bigger leverage your account has grown and you have a bigger leverage to increase the risk.
I can't wear the shit you bitches wear because it's cheap to me. It's some money at my table.
It, good to see ya. Cat lover, good to see ya.
I don't hang with jealous bitches, that's a weak disease. Hold on, run up. If you're broken in my business, then just shut up. I invested in my body, bitch, I'm done up. I look good, I like to fuck, I'm on the sun up.
I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega, and I keep her with me so that I can feel safer.
Candy on my body, but my feet is in Bottega. Bitch, I'm getting money, give a fuck about the money in this motherfucker. It's a whole lot of money in this motherfucker. Ain't no carry run no broke shit, that broke shit get old. Ain't no carry run no hoe shit, these hoes get too bold. I'm allergic to that no shit, my wrist game on cold. I might pick my cup white just to match with my toes. Hey yo, I put on my jewelry just to suck my nigga off. Fingers on his balls like I'm about to tell him cough.
When it comes to trading, my strategy is simple. It is pure price action, and when it comes to pure price action, what I'm always looking out for in the market is first understanding the market condition I'm dealing with. Guys, whenever you're trading, do not only focus on just knowing things by theory or just reading about things. Get onto the charts and keep on practicing until things make sense to you.
I put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega.
So the thing is, it is simple. If you are in a bullish market, you have to confirm it with the next step, which is understanding market structure. We all know when you are in the market, in a bullish market, you would want to see market structure being series of higher highs and higher lows. And in a bullish market, the market is continuously taking out highs and maintaining the low. So when it comes to a bullish market, the strongest points are, oh my goodness, why am I so taken out? Let's see if we can get another entry.
I ain't talking cars, long hair, don't care. In a twin seater, you Tamara was here. Pissy pitsy, I fuck them like porn stars. I'm playing basketball, but my bitches is all stars. Got Gucci on my bitch, cause I'm richer than most bras. Yo niggas bitches tripping and sending my postcard. put on my jewelry just to go to the bodega.
And when it comes to a bullish market, you have to also know what the strong points in a bullish market are the lows, because they were strong enough to push the market up and led to a break of structure. So whenever you're looking at a bullish market, you know that the moment you see a low taken out, shift your mindset from being in a bullish market to a bearish market. The opposite is true for a bearish market. Market is moving down in series of lower highs and lower lows. The strong points in a bearish market are the highs, because they were strong enough to push the market down and led to a breakout structure to the downside. So the moment you are in a bearish market like now, and we see a pullback taking out a most recent high, we are going to shift our bias from being a bearish market to a bullish market. So that's the beauty about understanding market structure, because you're gonna be you're going to be oh my goodness, I was anticipating buyers to give us some crazy moves. Okay, let's see here. So whenever you're lower time frames or your execution time frames, you should know that the market trends do not last longer because they only just be facilitating movements on higher time frame. So knowing the turning points in the market just going to give you a competitive advantage, because those are the points you want to be looking at. Market is always either taking out a high or a low. So if you can identify where the highs and the lows are, that is your advantage as a price action trader, because the market is either moving down to take out a low, moving up to take out a high. That is pure market structure. All you have to do is to locate where the highs and the low are, and you trade in that line. All right, another participant, Elwina. Guys are really looking in these donations. They are not playing tonight. Participants are not really playing. This is the trading assembly. Traders, feel free to ask any trading questions. We are here to learn. We are here to catch up. Share with me, how is your day been? I'm just being honest. I'm moving steady. You came by success and got no sale on it. You know that God did. He never gonna fail on us. Too much paper got me thinking I'ma save all this. I know the ops wanted this. You don't got that bust down like whoa, whoa. The streets crazy, they don't love me no more. Now I'm some pressure, but I bang for my bros. Walking in Giuseppe, I've been 10 on my toes. Welcome all the smoke, ski. Mama pray for me so I won't go. I'm okay, guys, I'm okay. The night is moving well. Idris, tell me, how is your night? How is your day moving for you? You know we play with keys. Don't let it go. Steady, moving on to greater. Never thought that I'd be ready. She let me, I let her keep us. Today I was in profit, but in demo. Honestly, so wait. I promised that I honestly didn't see this coming. You just had to fucking let me. Let us sell again. Let us sell and see how it goes. 3 babies trying to make room for some more. Life on the lessons, cause you reap what you sow. Walking in Giuseppe, I've been 10 on my toes. You know I welcome all the smoke. Mama pray for me so I won't go. Walking 10 toes. I be stressing out, but nobody knows. Anxiety, to let the pressure get to you. We need series on higher highs and higher lows. What you have to know by the way, guys, when it comes to market structure, give yourself time, practice. And like I always tell you, if you're starting out and it's so hard for you to pick out the highs and the lows in the market, start by marking out every point in the market that seems like a high to you. Mark it out, and everything that seems like a low in the market, map it out, because once you map out those points, you're going to do realize when the market moves in those directions, it's going to be easier for you to spot actually where the strong highs and lows are.
Oh my shawty, this thing that you're doing to my body is not funny. You put on big man to begin, yo. Oh my shawty, this love that you're showing, they confusing my head. Like I don't smoke, I did something, yo. Fine girl, I keep a too. Your body high me like Colorado. Your body do me like Iniedo. Killing me so slow. Fine girl, I keep a too. Your body high me like Colorado. Your body do me like Iniedo. Killing me slow. And there is something about your body when they hide me like I don't smoke Colorado, like I don't smoke Colorado. Yeah. Cause the way that you control me like a console, I'm your
All right, that's good.
Your body hide me like Colorado. Your body hide me like Colorado.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. The guy, good to see ya. The guy, where are you locked in from?
Till I met this girl named Brenda. On my shot, she be true back to send. Get it done, make it bad man to surrender. Oh Brenda, make me feel the type of way. Oh Brenda, love me from a mile away. Got me feeling cool like a Jimmy Holloway. Kelly happy pay, make you run the come out. Fine girl, lawyer, Ibadi Joe. Kelly bumpy like Iniedo. Can't walk the eye like a Nedarego. Follow me.
We all know if you are in a trending market, the best thing you can do is to follow that trend. That is a timeless rule, guys, you can move by. It is always easier to execute trades that are in line with the trend compared to pullback entries. And pullback entries, I feel like I would suggest that traders will start considering taking pullback entries when you have really at least mastered continuation entries. Leven, good to see ya. Fazol, good to see ya. Prince, good to have you. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. Buyers are onto something. They are really giving us some clear structure here. Raphael, I know this is the structure you'll be wanting to see in the markets, but it is not always that you're going to be getting this clear market structure. You just have to keep on practicing, and you get comfortable in all market conditions. That's one thing I can tell you. You keep on practicing consistently. I'm gonna prove nothing to lose.
Far away, ricochet, you take your
Got a name engraved. Every friend lost left my heart to pray. But I rise, yeah, I'm self-made and brave. Turn my downfall into the gold I crave. Still I reminisce the cold. No mirror, stepping on my just to cop that deal. My weapon, my wounds, my seal. Every rhyme I drop, every line I hear. Now I'm looking down from a penthouse pane. Same block, still whisper my name in the rain. I ain't changed, just rearrange the game, new frame. Same hunger in the flame. I move with ghosts, tone, mic and them. Still pour a little out when I toast to them. The fame don't fix what the nights condemn. It just magnify the scars deep within. But I'm grateful. Every step paid by stress. Every L was a test. Every test success. So I breathe this truth for my chain on chest. A big spirit in the world obsessed. We built this from dust, faith and hustle. No silver spoons, just paper plates and perks. So when they ask what kept me alive, tell them bricks and prayers forever. Every block got a story. Some written in chalk, some in chains, some in champagne. Me, I just write mine in pain. Let's talk about it. Born where the shadows teach survival and sin. Dreams die young where the sirens begin. Mama praying on her knees for the rent again. While I'm scribbling schemes with a pad and pen. No headset, boy, don't trust that hope. But the game looks sweet when you broken cold. Steel toe dreams, heavy lows we hold. Trying to turn them corner tails into solid gold. Fist full of change, heart full of rage. Notebooks filled with a prophet's page. I seen smiles fade and the lies get paid. But I learned how to rhyme my way out the cave.
That's what we are, shining bright, but we hide the scars. So the pain, we still go far, trying to find peace beneath the star. Broken gold, that's what we are, shining bright, but we hide the scars. So the pain, we still go far, trying to find peace beneath the stars.
Now the world got bigger, but the block still calls. Success tastes bitter when your day ones fall. I done walked through hell with my back to the wall. Now I sip on dreams, reminiscing on it all. Every dollar earned got a ghost attached. Every smile fake, every bridge got patched. They love you in the light, but they hide when you match. So I move in silence.
Do you mind? I'm just trying to get to know ya. Get a little closer, maybe closer. Ooh, do you mind? 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 Do you think you might all night? Maybe you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? You know.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question.
Let me be the one, baby. You said that. You know. We ain't got forever. You know. Let me be the one, baby. Do you mind? Oh, do you mind if I talk to you? And do you mind if I touch you? And you know you can do
Which higher time frame do you
I
use?
know that you don't get no better than me.
Oh my god. Crazy sellers have taken me out.
Won't change your mind. Know that you can take it. You don't need to hesitate.
Whenever I'm doing market analysis, I always look out for 3 time frames. I look at a 5 minute time frame, but of course, all the time frames I do look at, it is still the same strategy. I still first, even when I'm on a higher time frame, I would still understand the market condition I'm in. I would also look at market structure, but how you can combine analyzing a higher time frame and a lower time frame, it is simple. For example, you can see market structure is bullish. So if I was on a higher time frame and market structure is bullish, and the market has just recently taken out the most recent high, we all know after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. So when you come on your execution time frame or lower time frame, that pullback that is going to be happening on a higher time frame, on a lower time frame, it's going to just be a complete trend, because it is just a bearish trend facilitating a pullback on a higher time frame. So if you're doing market analysis, that is the mindset you should always have, and that's how you can compare both a higher time frame and a lower time frame. You should know whatever happens on a lower. You should know whatever happens on a lower time frame. Any trend you're seeing on a lower time frame, most of the time it is only just facilitating either continuation on a higher chart or a pullback. That's one thing you should know. And whenever you're doing multi-frame market analysis, looking at different time frames, you can do that to check it out.
First time your friends really got to see Paul, man. 20 million cash, seen that there with my 2 eyes. We the best, and I told you this back in 05.
Simon, let me hope that answers you when it comes to multi-time frame market analysis. And this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Traders, we are here to learn. Someone comment locked in. Tell me where you're locked in from. Where are you locked in from, guys? You all know when it comes to trading, you have to be fully locked in. Not only with your strategy, but with your time frames, with your entry models, with your just even your trading time. Because we all know consistency produces mastery. So the more you're really consistent with all that, believe me, your skill is gonna be more refined. Oh, let me just add this Celsius and see how it goes. Where did this come from? Oh my god. Yeah. All right, I can see Alexander locked in, Cat Lover locked in. Grayson locked in, Praju locked in, Ali locked in. I mean, I can see serious traders are fully locked in, and that's nice. Let us also keep getting, let us just get this bug. Joshua, you locked in. Joy, you locked in. Indy, you locked in. That's nice. That's nice. As you're locked in, you're also free to ask any trading question. Okay, Abel, you're also locked in. That's it. That's how it should be. That's how it should be. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting sellers to really move this for me, but I guess the market is being the market here. Damn. All right, thank you, Ali. I'm glad you're learning. I'm glad you're learning. And don't stop on learning. Also, after whatever you learn, go and practice on the charts, because the more you really practice, the better you're really gonna be getting at your skill. This is something you build with time, and the more you're consistently doing it, the shorter your journey it gets, the shorter your journey it gets to. Consistent as always. To be honest, when it comes to trading, being consistent is one of the key things that changed my trading. Yeah, that's why no day offs here, no day offs here. Because consistency, I know what it did for me, and that's why I'm always telling you guys to lock in. Because there is something about a trader who is looking at their charts every day. There is always something that you're going to be seeing on the chart that only you can explain. But if you really trade this week, or maybe you trade like 2 days in a week, I feel like there is something in your edge that you may not have. And also consistency, it is one thing that helped me to reduce the fear of the market. Because if I'm doing this every single day, there is a way you stop fearing the market. And as a trader, and I know this is from my own experience as a trader, we always have those moments where you fear the market. You could be seeing the right entry, but because you fear execution, you may miss out on the entry because of that. And some traders, they could see a trade, they fear to execute, then when a few seconds have gone, you enter the trade, then you end up getting taken out by just a trade you were right, only that you took long to execute. But if you're really consistently showing up in the market, those are the things that just go by just you being consistent. Girl, me too. I don't know. Okay, buyers are really onto something. They're giving us very clear market structure here. Very clear and beautiful market structure. Crash and mash, I got you. All right, Carl, thank you. Much love from here too. You explained anything so nicely. I just explained from my pure trading experience, honestly. Everything I'm sharing here, I've lived it as a trader. I've lived it as a trader, so I know. Oh my goodness. What a buyer's onto, what a buyer's onto. Okay, guys, we are gonna get into the donation. Someone comment ready. If you're ready for the donations, I wanna see you comment ready. The market is really looking great with all this market structure. We need to lock in these donations. And you know how we do it. Let us first secure our profits, then we get into it. Okay, I can see you guys. Let us first secure our profits for tonight, then we get into them. You're the only thing I wanna touch. Means so much. We are wishing luck to all our participants for tonight. So our first participant wants 5 attempts. Okay. First attempt is in. I'm just following the structure. We all know it is bullish. So I'm getting into this continuation trade because of that. And it's already locked in. Touch me like you do, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for? It's a holy grail I'm about to. Our second attempt is in. We have 3 more to go. Let you set the pace. I made a mistake, but a win is a win anyways. A win is always a win. Let us look to get more attempts. And let you set the pace. 'Cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for? Just one final attempt, guys. One final attempt for Tobian. Someone comment locked in. Someone comment locked in because I need you guys fully locked in. When I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. This is already moving well. What are you waiting for? Oh my God. This is really nice. 5 attempts are fully locked in. So let me see you type congratulations to Tobian. Type congratulations to Tobian. Tobian, congratulations. You're really gonna cruise and enjoy enjoy this. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. Hey, I'm so hello. We move on to our next participant. 4 attempts. We need 4 attempts for Adien. The Taps TV, good to see ya. This is our trading assembly. We're always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So welcome to the trading assembly. We need to lock in just 3 more attempts. And we all know when it comes to trading, we trade your strategy. You do not trade candles you're seeing on the charts. You want to trade things, you want to get entries that are ticking your confluences. So if you see everything is giving you about 3 confirmations, don't hesitate to execute, because we all know whatever happens after execution is none of your business. You can control what happened before execution, but after, you have no control over that. You just have to wait. This is a continuation move. You can see structure is confirmed. It is bearish. Market been moving in series of lower highs and lower lows. As a trader, the easiest way you can do about this is just hop on the trend. Because why not? This is our final attempt. The moment I see candles closing already below my entry, I just be hoping for the best. Oh my God. 4 attempts are in. Congratulations. Let me see type congratulations to our participant. Adin. Guys, let me see type congratulations to Arden. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Rains on the night shift. No explanation. We all know when it comes to trading, yeah, it's always nice when you're getting the pluses. And if every time we executed entries and they went in other directions, everyone would be a trader. But it's not like that. That's why it's just a few who lucky that turn out to be good traders. I'm still continuing with the bearish trend because why not? Because why not? I'm gonna keep selling until it doesn't make sense. It gives me a reason not to sell. On the night shift. How do I participate? If you want to be part of the participants, it is simple. There is a donation link down in the description. You can use that.
Oh, yeah. Girl, better work for me. Can you make it clap? No ass for me. Take it to the ground, pick it up for me. Look back, get it on for me. She ride it like a sexy.
You're welcome, my dear. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to Verena. We are so far moving so well. Honestly, the market is really moving well. It's giving us some good, nice market structure. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. Nazir, if you want to be a participant, there's a donation link down in the description. You can use that.
Whether I'm a slow one, whether I'm a fast one, you did listen to my happy and my sad songs, and you believe in I can never have a bad sound.
You know that, girl.
Now I'm up in your life, you know you can choose one.
Every time I see you, I see goosebumps.
And you're lucky to show to me too strong.
I just wanna say thank you.
And yes, I love you. And I cannot do it without you. Yes, you. Yes, you.
I just wanna say thank you. And yes, I love you.
And I cannot do it without you. Yes, you. Yes, you. Oh, shout out to all my fans from all over. Don't be until I get
guys, we just need to lock into attempts for this. For Calm Everhearts. Love from Ghana. Please don't spam comment. Please don't spam comment. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using.
who you are. I just wanna say thank you. I love you. I cannot do without you. Yeah. Thank you.
We're just waiting for one single move. Let's see how this goes. I honestly don't want to see sellers around my entry. Oh my goodness, damn. Our second attempt has been taken out, damn. I'm sorry about that. Everheart, I'm sorry about that. Next time better. That was some crazy takeout. Most girls. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Some girls swear just sometimes because it feels so right. Let us move on to our next participant. Guys, this is a trading assembly. We are here to learn, so it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you're where. All you have to do is to ask. All you have to do is to ask a trading question. All you have to do is to fully lock in. So that's if I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. Yeah, when it comes to trading, understanding market structure is really important. It's really important.
This card made me want to spend the M. She from the 6, but she looking like a 10. Just tell me when I can take you to the end. If you ain't on the stroller, you can slide with your friends. I'm a pop down. When I pull up, she gon' ride it like a pop car.
We waited for this entry, so let's see how it's gonna look in. Oh my god. Buyers were really giving me hope here. Let us refund and try again. We all know if I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund. So let's do that. I'm a beginner. Can I? Actually, when it comes to trading, we all take losses because losses are part of this game. But when it comes to trading and you want to be a better trader, there are some mindset that you should really get over. For example, your mindset should be fully focused on being a better trader and trading with discipline. If you shift your mindset to that, why are buyers taking this? Why are buyers taking this? Oh my lord. Damn.
Stay down till we came up. So bad you don't need no makeup. Whipping in the kitchen as soon as we wake
I'm
up.
sorry about that. I'm sorry about that.
Mary J, no drama.
Tagline. Hey, this name is hard for me, but I'm sorry about that. Next time you're gonna do better.
Everybody know that she's my right girl. Baby, this a wrong, not a right girl. If she's ever lost, then I'm a guy girl. It's not wrong, I'm trying to ride girl. So you know she fighting for a black girl. Put the water around her like she tired girl. Whatever she can, but supply girl. She always gets
Simpriya, Infina, Richa. Of course, that's the mindset. That's the mindset. You have to keep on. There is no room for giving up when it comes to trading. Let us refund and try again. Getting prettier. Okay, I love this momentum from sellers. Three more attempts to go for Fiera. Two more attempts to go. Twin, where have you been? Nobody knows me like you got it. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are here to learn. We are here to learn. This is our final attempt for the participant, guys, and it's already moving in my anticipated direction. The moment I really see some crazy momentum like that, I really be feeling good about my entry. Let me see you type congrats. Let me see you type congrats to Fiora. Body to body, skin to skin. You know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away. May for me. May for me. Made for me. All right, we move on to Mirel. Mirel. Hey. I'm trying really hard, still not getting the results. Maybe you shouldn't try so hard. There is this point in trading, the more you really keep it, so don't try to overcomplicate trading. You should just take it as a simple thing. Yeah, I mean, with price action, understand that I'm in a bullish market, bearish market, understand the market structure, understand candlestick patterns, then look for entries that are in key areas. That is it. But when it comes to all of that, it has one simple rule: is everything that I've stated, you have to be knowing what makes each point valid. That's what trading is all about when it comes to technical analysis. What makes market structure valid? What makes this candlestick pattern valid for me to trade based on that? If you can easily answer those questions while you're looking at your charts, if you can understand those key concepts and what makes each concept valid, that is the way to go. The next step is to focus on your risk management and psychology, because those aspects are also important for any trader to really get profitable or to get better. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? We are really moving smoothly. Previous high and low still confuse me. That is really nice that you actually know where your challenges are as a trader. That means you're really putting in the work. That means you're really putting in the work. But when it comes to mapping the highs and the lows, just start with mapping everything that seems like a high and a low to you. Start with that, mapping out all the highs and all the lows that you can see in the market, and you watch how the market moves towards them. It's going to be easier for you to identify which low or high is right. Faisal, let me hope you got that. Okay, this is our final attempt. This is our final attempt. Come on, move. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let me see, type congratulations. It did, yeah, it did. Let me see, type congratulations to Mirel. Let me see, type congratulations to our participant for attempts are in. I'm my first, she wanna know me. It's just a hunger. I wanna know how, and I wanna know. Your chick come close to me, she ain't gonna know what she supposed to. You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. That's how I'm supposed to be.
She ain't never got high like this with a guy like this. When she pop it, tell her, hold up. Better believe she gon' leave with a real nigga. I take her back and put it down like a cue. I get the bustin' up because she got me with. She ain't got to ain't worried about you.
Might as she run.
When I hit it, I'ma kill it. You wanna know how I know?
If y'all do come close to me, you don't wanna ride out, then it goes to me. All I can do is let your boy show to me. But it gotta keep the booty hot from serious. But it gotta keep the melody told to me. And I gotta keep the feeling and so to me. Ooh, it's all supposed to be. If people speak to me, supposed to be. Ooh,
That's how I'm supposed to be.
it's all supposed to be. Ooh, it's all supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
Y'all chick come close to me.
She ain't gonna be supposed to be. Give me like I'm supposed to be. Give me like I'm supposed to be. How do you start with big time frame before becoming? How do you? Oh my God, Abraham, try rephrasing your question. Because I don't get what exactly you're asking. Let me see you type congratulations to Prescott. Let me see you type congratulations to Prescott. Hey.
Even though I can sing.
Shorty a little body, shorty a little old thing, and shorty got the shine. Shorty to get your mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I know they on the covers.
Congratulations, Prescott.
Every time I fuck, she call me daddy.
Hey, my little mama nasty.
She tastes like candy. She feel like the fatigue.
Much love from here. Same.
You know, if you need, you don't gotta cut to me. I'm your best friend, baby, you don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want. Deep, you should know to me. You slowly to the side. 17, yeah, I put you in the vest. So lifting up your dress, so kissing on your neck, so rubbing on your butt, so massaging your breast. Now you wanna give you a baby just yet, so I back out and lay it on your breast. I put you in an Uber, and sent you to your bed. The very next day, you sent me a text. You put to the crib, you did it again. Show me a little body, show me a little old thing, and show me that you're trying. Show me to get your mood swings. Every time I fuck without a rubber, I know they on the covers, and I kicked it on the cover, 'cause I'm kissing too.
No, I never found out till I looked into your
Interesting. If you want to reach to me, there's a link down in the description for my Telegram. You can always write to me. I'll surely get back to you. Guys, we need to lock in 5 attempts for our next participant. And I honestly love entries that move so fast in my direction. These are the things that give every trader joy, I know.
She just get birthday. She my biggest fan, she always working. She know I'm a man, I'm for that working. No, she can't stand me, I'm fancy.
So I'ma bring her out
When I get a Grammy.
Ain't nice sex, give her pennies. When I hold it in, I should need a penny. Shorty a little baddie.
Shady
my little
really
cool
cool.
thing.
And shorty got the fatty.
Shady because you roots.
Every time I fuck without a rubber, I know that I'm a cover.
And I kept it on the car. Cause I don't get sent to.
Now you have guys, you're counting. This is our second attempt and we are in already in our direction. This is a continuation move, guys. Let's see how it closes. That was really coming for my entry. Dang. Damn. Season change and I'm not going cold. Run away. Again. The minimum for donations is $400 USD for all those that are asking. Oh my god. These are the entries I really don't like. Where the market takes you out and still continues in your direction. I'm sorry about that, Bernadette. I'm sorry about that. Alright guys, let us lock in for our next participant. This is a Trading Assembly Traders. We are here to learn, so feel free to ask any trading question. Tell me, do you have any traders that really locked in those crazy moves today? Oh guys, weekends have day offs. You don't play. But weekends are really so good for back testing, doing market analysis. Yeah, you can really, if you have some good time on your side, it's the best time to relax as you're analyzing the markets. And the more you really look in these charts, the more you're going to find these markets very interesting for you. Because the moment you start seeing, understanding what is happening on the charts, answering questions like where the market most likely to head, trading is gonna be really interesting for you. But I never have it. For the money I'm a savage. But if you know me last year. If you felt waiting, push your hand to the sky. Up on your muscles when I got millions on my mind. Sunset should have changed. May I say congratulations. I was patient. Now we made it. Let me see type congratulations to Caldreen. Yaniga, graduation. I pick up a call and call me. I'm looking for someone to call me. Let me see type congratulations to our participant, guys. Traders, type congrats to our participant. Super Bowl. Top floor lifestyle. Hancho on post. Malone. Hancho we do this going. See you on TV. Sunset should have changed. Ever since you was on I dream it all. Ever since I was and they said I would be nothing. Now they all say congratulations. Alright, someone was asking about the indicator, how I use it. It is simple. Whenever I'm looking at the charts, I would want to see a breakout to the top side of the indicator or to get a breakout to the downside of the indicator. So to use both the indicator and the strategy, it is simple. If I get a breakout to the downside of the indicator, I'm going to anticipate sellers in the market. But with market structure, I would want to see the market shifting, giving me bearish market structure to get a better confirmation, and I execute based on that. The opposite is true for getting a breakout to the top side.